Before you change the Windows Registry, create a verified backup so one wrong value does not become a permanent problem. You'll create a focused backup of the Explorer Advanced Key, verify its contents, and stage both graphical and command line recovery methods. You'll also see when a registry export is enough and when System Restore provides the safer recovery layer. A targeted registry export gives you a precise rollback aid rather than a complete PC backup. When you export the selected advanced key, the file includes that key, its values, and every subkey beneath it. Importing the file later adds or overwrites the entries recorded in the backup, but it generally leaves values or subkeys created afterward in place. That is why you select the smallest parent key covering the planned change and merge only a backup you created and verified yourself. Your recovery path depends on whether Windows can still start. If it does, verify and import your own registry backup. Accept the registry editor warning on your PC, restart the affected app or Windows as required, and then confirm the saved data returned. If Windows cannot start, interrupt startup twice. On the third start, choose Automatic Repair, Advanced Options, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and System Restore. Select a restore point from before the change. An encrypted device may ask you for its BitLocker recovery key. A protected backup location keeps potentially sensitive registry data away from casual access. File Explorer is showing C, Users, Windows Forum, Documents, RegBK, where the dated backup will be stored. You can also place a text note here, recording the key path, original data, new data, date, and required restart. If this folder is unavailable, create or choose another protected local or encrypted location before continuing. Selecting the smallest correct key limits the backup to the settings you actually plan to change. Registry Editor is open at HK Current User, Software Microsoft Windows Current Version Explorer Advanced, with the name, type, and data columns visible. Check those columns now, but do not modify any value yet. If the displayed key is a sibling or a broader key such as HK Current User, stop and navigate to the exact advanced path. The selected branch option ensures the backup covers advanced without needlessly exporting an entire hive. In the export dialog, the file name field receives C: Users Windows Forum, Documents RegBK, Advanced 2026-0722.reg. Then, selected branch is chosen and save is selected. Before saving on your PC, confirm the displayed branch is exactly HK Current User Software Microsoft Windows Current Version Explorer Advanced. If the branch differs, cancel and reselect the correct key, rather than trusting the file name alone. You should verify the backup exists before making any registry change. File Explorer now shows Advanced 2026-0722.reg in C: Users Windows Forum Documents RegBK, where you can confirm that its size is greater than 0. The descriptive name identifies both the feature and backup date. If the file is missing or 0 bytes, stop and repeat the selected branch export. Inspecting the file as text confirms that it is a real registry script for the intended branch. Notepad shows the Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 header and the HKCU Current User Software Microsoft Windows Current Version Explorer Advanced path. Close Notepad without saving so the backup remains unchanged. If either the header or target path is missing, do not edit the registry. Export the key again. This import dialog lets you verify the recovery target without committing any registry changes. The file name field is filled with C:/Users Windows Forum Documents RegBK Advanced _2026-0722.reg, and the process stops with open visible but untouched. On your own PC, recheck the full path. Select Open only for your verified backup. Accept the Registry Editor warning and complete the required app restart, service restart, sign out, or Windows restart. Then reopen the key and confirm the saved value data returned. If the identity or path is uncertain, cancel instead of importing. The command line method makes the same targeted backup repeatable. Command prompt runs regexport HKCU software Microsoft Windows current version Explorer Advanced C:/users Windows forum documents regback advanced 2026-0722.reg/y, where /y allows replacement of the named file. The matching restore command is reg import C:/users Windows forum documents regbk advanced-2026-0722.reg. If the command fails, confirm the registry root and path, keep paths with spaces quoted, and check the return code. 0 means success, and 1 means failure. System protection adds broader recovery coverage for changes involving sign-in, services, networking, storage drivers, BitLocker, startup, boot configuration, or several related keys. The System Protection tab is showing protection settings along with Configure and Create, without changing the current state or creating a restore point. If protection is off for the system drive on your PC, choose Configure, turn on System Protection, apply it, then choose Create, and enter a description such as, before registry change, 2026-0722. Confirm the restore point is created before making the broader change. If Windows later cannot start, System Restore may be the safer recovery path. You now have a verified targeted registry backup and clear recovery paths for both a working and unbootable system. Visit the discussion thread on windowsforum.com for questions, updates, and help with your specific setup.